Chris, well, we're seeing really nice conditions kind of after the really interesting weather we had on Monday, including that now confirmed tornado in Gerald. Right now, conditions, well, look at this. This is beautiful. 76 in Waco, 73 in Temple, 72 in Dallas-Fort Worth, as well as Killeen. Radar nice and empty, nice high pressure system sitting just to the west of us, and just to the east of us, excuse me. That's funneling in just some nice dry air. So overall, it just feels like a nice fall afternoon, and that's going to continue as we head into tonight and even tomorrow. But tomorrow night, things start to change. Here's what I mean. I'm going to play this ahead for you as we go into tomorrow morning. A little bit of those upper level clouds start to push right into the region. Then by the afternoon and late evening, we start to see cloud cover basically covering everyone. So throughout the day, it's going to be nice. Expect a little bit of clouds. Not really too much in terms of rainfall is expected for tomorrow night. I have about 20%. And this is just going to be for the far western side of the region and getting a little bit of those showers. Then we come right into Friday morning, 8 a.m. You have this big line of storms. It does have severe potential. I'll have more information from the Storm Prediction Center starting tomorrow afternoon, so I will update you then. But of course, right now we're expecting chances for small hail and gusty winds, as well as thunder and lightning. And that's going to go quickly through the far eastern side of the region, and maybe expect a couple of those scattered showers throughout the day on our Friday. Forecast rainfall totals are actually calming down a little bit. They're showing anywhere from a few tenths of an inch to up to maybe an inch and a half. Nothing too extreme for now. Severe risk for tomorrow, level 1 marginal risk, again, just for the western side. So we are continuing to keep an eye on that. Overnight tonight, clear and cool, 48 degrees. And as we head into our 7-day planner, always a weekend forecast, we have those temperatures taking a nice little dip heading right into the weekend. 66 for your Friday, 70% chance of showers, most of which taking place in the morning, then calming down by the afternoon. Saturday, Sunday, temperatures slowly start warming back up as the cloud cover clears out. Monday for your Halloween, look at that, 49 for the morning, 75 for the afternoon. I'll take that with nice clear skies. Tuesday, Wednesday, looks like those 80s are making a comeback, but they're nothing too crazy, Chris.